Oh, yeah.
So we're starting the day off right with some Timmies with some Baileys in it, because we're Canadian and that's what we do. But today it's minus 17 out, it said in my truck. So we'll see if the Can-Am's fire up.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Please start. Uh-oh. No, I don't think we're getting anything.
You're not getting nothing? Let's see if the Maverick will fire up.
Hey, Booth. Oh, I got one.
Oh, we got life in the Maverick.
Batteries don't like it when it's cold.
No, not minus 17.
You got some juice?
I got juice. It says minus 21 on mine.
Oh, she wants to.
No, she's a garage princess. Go get the boosty box, man. Oh my Lanta.
What?
Look how fucking covered in mud that is. Oh, there we go.
There we go. It works.
Alright, let's see if we get the Maverick started. They don't make these things long enough. Mine didn't need much. Sweet.
I brought it.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, man.
My fucking ears are cold. Your ears cold? Oh my god, man. I need my toque. It's fucking chilly out today, man. It's gonna be a chilly ride. Our coffees are probably fucking frozen by now. You know, it's a cold day when we're sitting inside and we got the machines warming out.
Yeah.
Hopefully it warms up by the middle of the day and we'll be
A
there.
lot colder.
And we're gonna let these things go through a couple heat cycles before we go.
Snow hitting right on them.
You know it's cold when you go to breathe in, your nose hairs instantly freeze.
Oh, my poor girl.
They sound happier now.
They do, but I still feel for them though. I thought I was gonna have something, but I'm surprised. That's probably the original battery then.
Well, yeah, but it's minus 20 out all night time. Like you can't
Yeah,
bleed
do
it.
a crotch
You
bleed.
can't bleed it on a battery.
Yeah, we don't fucking start up too quick either. I get soon, right?
We'll let you sit outside all night
Yeah,
minus
yeah,
20.
thanks,
The machine's probably shrunk like an inch or two because it was so cold. Fucking metal all shrunk. But yeah, today, I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to film today, but we'll try. We'll try. I'll bring an extra camera with me.
I just want to put my nose in the sun just so I can get some sun on my seat. That's gonna be one fucking sleepy ass sleep, man.
Well, you see, I think it's gonna melt minus freaking
17.
417.
Well, it's black and it's gonna help a little bit.
Actually, look at mine starting to melt where the sun's coming.
Yeah, yeah. See, mine's not getting nothing.
It's supposed to be like at the warmest minus 14 today.
Oh, that's the warmest.
Yeah. When I booked the room, freaking, it was supposed to be like minus 4 all week. And then freaking I looked one day and it's like minus 14. I'm like, oh my God, that's gonna be cold. Nobody wanted to come with us, but hey, we got lots of fresh snow by ourselves. Yesterday was awesome. We'll never get another day like that, ever. Like, it was so,
It was pretty much.
it was perfect yesterday. We broke trail everywhere. It was nice. Like, you can tell by the machines, we were breaking trail everywhere. Like,
So you got your wheel.
my wheel, I gotta go out there with the scraper once I get dressed, scrape all that off.
I don't have too much. I took a little bit off my machine before I came in here, so just chisel a little bit. Like my foot wells were all fucking yeah, all folded up. I'm glad I got that out too, because that would have been a pain in the ass.
Look at this. Oh, it sounds gonna be fucked up.
What? Oh shit! That's the build up, eh?
I don't want to get rid of that. Yeah. I'm gonna have to clean the rims out too. Like, look at my rims. They're all fucking caked in there too. You want to try to free up everything around your axles and your any moving parts because they'll break easy. It's cold, it makes anything break easier. Oh, Ty, I got to it before I could. Look at the ice built up in there. Look at that. A bunch of people just came up last night here, and so it's probably going to be pretty trash today. Might be getting stuck a lot. So yeah, I'm just going to be filming with this camera, so there's not going to be too much, but I'll try to get as much as I can. Hey, let's roll!
Flashback.
No way. No traction. Let's see if I get out the other way.
Hey, that looked easy. I had a feeling you weren't going to make this the first try, man. Or after the first try, I was like, no, I don't think. No.
Oh, that was even hard. I had to put it high and just fucking pin it. I didn't make that.
End of flashback.
Hey, here's a pretty steep down climb. We're gonna go down it. That'd be hard to get up too. There's Ty. Say hi, Ty. All right, it's time to have our victory beer. We would have been out riding longer, but Ty ran out of gas.
You can't see him in there, buddy. I think he's crying and holding himself a little bit. He's not talking to me. I don't know why. Why aren't you talking to me, Ty?
So overall today was a good day. Ty almost ran out of gas because kept spinning the tires so much, I guess. Oh my God, look at this.
Look at the ice. That's awesome. Look at that.
That's awesome.
Ty, cheers, buddy. Crack that beer open, man. Like, come on, hurry up. Get with the program. Wish
I had a little more gas.
Yeah, it was my fault. I didn't think.
Wish I had a little more gas. Just my jerry can. That's all I get. Give me 2 bars, Nick. 2 bars.
You know, when we were sitting there filling up at the freaking Pioneer too, I was just like, oh, maybe we should fill up our fucking jerry cans too.
Dude, like, if I had 2 more bars, we could go out as long as we. Yeah. Sorry, man.
Oh, it's getting dark out. Look at the sun's almost set.
I could have used another half hour.
Yeah. So, what'd you think? What's your?
I enjoyed it very much so. Loving the crips through the snow, man. Loving the crips.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're like pizza cutters, man.
Hey, ITP. We need some new crips. Hook us up. Imagine we had studs on those suckers.
Oh Jesus.
We'd be going.
I would have tried 1 or 2 of those
Hill
climbs.
climbs? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I would have. 100% I would have. There was 1 or 2 I saw. I'm like, ooh.
Yeah.
There's one, two. I didn't make it up.
I saw that. Yeah.
But as always,
It always comes to an end, and Ty and I are gonna load up tonight because they're supposed to get a snowstorm up here tomorrow. And yeah, that all being said, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification,
Yes, please
comment, and maybe
we'll see you in the next one.